In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious chicken francaise recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts thinly sliced, 2 eggs, half a cup of white wine, 1 cup of chicken broth, half a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves, half lemon, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 1 cup of flour. We're going to season both sides of each of the chicken slices with salt and pepper. To the eggs, we're going to add in the remaining pepper and the remaining salt, and we're going to beat it until completely combined. In a plate, we're going to pour out half of our flour. Coat each of the chicken breasts in the flour completely. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in our oil. Coat the floured chicken in the egg mixture, and we're going to place it in the pan to cook. Add the 2 garlic cloves in the pan, and we're going to cook the chicken slices for 5 minutes on each side. When the garlic starts to brown, we're going to take it out of the pan. Once the chicken is cooked, we're going to take it out onto a plate. In the pan, we're going to add the butter and melt it completely. Add in the flour and mix until the flour is completely combined. Add in the white wine. Add in the chicken broth. We're going to squeeze in the half lemon juice. Once our sauce is thick, we're going to add in our parsley. Add the chicken back into the sauce and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Our chicken francaise is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.